Well, one of the things that people ask me is how to choose the right refrigerator, and there are a lot of choices. One of the most popular that we sell is a French door refrigerator with a dispenser on the outside. With the French door, one of the nice things about it is everything that you have in your refrigerator compartment, which you will go to about 7 out of 10 times, is hip to shoulder. So you have all of your fresh food, all of your stuff in your crisper, even in your meat and deli department, everything is right there. Your freezer compartment is down here, and you have a nice storage area with a tray in the top that you can keep common things in. You have gallon storage on your door. You have your ice maker here, which allows you to utilize a dispenser where it will dispense cubed or crushed ice and water. So it is a very popular, very unique idea in refrigeration, and it is the most popular style that we sell right now. One of the unique things about this refrigerator itself is that it is smudge resistant, and this makes this very popular. This is a Frigidaire Gallery piece, and it has a smudge resistant finish on it. You also have your external temperature settings on it where you can adjust your temperatures on the outside, and you have your cubed and crushed ice and your filtered water dispenser.